Hello everyone, once again, welcome to the Smart Service. This is a review of the customer 1617. This is the MSI laptop. Basically, the customer laptop, the hinge was broken on left side and right side. So as always, we fix the broken hinge for this laptop, and now they're able to use the laptop again. Otherwise, we might need to replace the new case. So this is a quick way to fix the hinge. So just let you know if you have same problems, or you might facing the laptop was not able to use. So feel free to contact us at the Smart Service for the service. Okay, thank you. Enjoy. Bye bye.